Dear students, good morning. This is ninth class social studies. We are in the history lesson. What is that history lesson? 13th lesson. Democratic and nationalist revolutions, 17th century to 18th century. Okay? Between 17th and 18th centuries. I said about British, I said about USA, how the powers transferred from king to parliament. So in British, that means in England, that is called bloodless revolution. Okay, next in USA, that means in America also, the 13 colonies fought against Britishers and they declared their nation as independent one. Okay, so they prepared one draft which is prepared by Thomas Jefferson. Next one, I said in the previous lesson about France. About France. So what was the France? Who were the rulers of France? And what about the condition of the society? So the society divided as mainly three estates. What are that one? First estate, second estate and third estate. So in the first estate, clergy occupied the first estate. Clergy means pastors or bishops, archbishops, etc. They are in Roman Catholic mission. Okay, Christians. Second estate is clergy. First estate is clergy. Second estate occupied by nobles, kings, feudal, that means landlords, king's family members, etc. So the third estate is here important. In the third estate, 90% society people are there. Landless people, workers, women, children, businessmen, lawyers, court officials. So all comes under the third estate. Okay. So first estate and second estate, they have some privileges. They need not pay any tax to the government and also they need not pay any tithe to the churches. Okay. Who? The two. First two. But the third estate, they had to pay tax to the government and also to the church. Tithes and tithes. So they are the previous lesson points. But now listen what happened here. They already revolted against the king, but Louis XVI, whatever, he needs some money to run the government. Okay, so how can he feel the treasure? So that is why he imposed many taxes again and again over the third estate, that means common people. So the third estate people were unable to pay the tax due to their poverty and also their conditions. So that is why they are always opposing the king. They are always opposing the king. The society, I said already. Next one, they already declared their country. So what are their desires? For example, Declaration of Human Rights. That means they need freedom and equality in the society. Nobody could not get any privilege by their birth. For example, first estate and second estate. In the first estate, what they did? In the first estate, the clergy. So that is. Next one here, Louis XVI. Even though people are struggling and fighting against the king, okay, so they need freedom, they need equality, but there is no equality in the French society. Okay, so that is why they are always trying to reduce the powers of the king. They formed as National Assembly. In that National Assembly, okay, they are discussing many events, what is happening in the French society. So King Louis went to Persian king and negotiated secretly with for help as continue as a king in France. Okay, but it is very it is not acceptable for the people. So that is why people, with the help of National Assembly, they declared war against Prussia and Austria. Why the people, that means National Assembly members declared war against Russia and Prussia? Because the French king Louis XVI went secretly and discussed for negotiations for help, okay, to continue as a king in France. So that is why these people declared war against Prussia and Austria. So finally these people got victory. But 1791 political rights. Who have the political rights in 1791? Those who are rich in the society. That people have political right. That means they have the right to choose any member for National Assembly. But the common people, they didn't have any right to select any representative to the National Assembly. So that was the condition in France. But many clubs are formed. Among them, the famous club is here, Jacobin Club. What is that club? Jacobin Club. So it started in Saint Jacobin's Paris, in Paris. Okay. Here the leader is very important. His name is Robespierre. What his name? Robespierre. So who are the members in this Jacobin Club? Landless labor, women, businessmen, common people, workers, peasants. So who are the third estate? That all people join in this Jacobin Club. Okay, so that means the majority people are in this Jacobin Club. So that is why Jacobin Club, under the leadership of Robespierre, they fought against the local king of France. His name was Louis XVI. So finally, why they are asking about a short supply of food. They need food, but the king is not able, he is failed to supply the food to the French society, especially third estate. Third estate means common people or poor people, 90% people. So in 1792 August 10th, so these Jacobin club members killed the gods of king. And also they also arrested the king's family members. Okay. Next one, they need right to vote to all people who are in the third estate. That means Jacobin club members who crossed above 21 years. So that is their main goal. So the Jacobin club main aim is to supply food to the people and also political rights. Those who cross 21 years, they need political right to choose or to elect representatives to the National Assembly. So Robespierre was the main leader in this Jacobin club. Okay, so finally when they arrested the king, so they called that the National Assembly is convention. Okay, for example, our Indian National Assembly is called Parliament. In that Parliament, MPs are there, member of Parliament. Okay, Lok Sabha, Raj Sabha, 545 and 250 members. 750 above members are in that Parliament. Likewise, in our country, National Assembly is called Parliament. In France, the National Assembly is called Convention. So, in this convention, on 21st September 1792, what happened? They abolished monarchy system. Monarchy means all powers vested in a one man's hand. That is called monarchy system. For example, king. So he possessed all powers within his hand. So he ruled by his own will, but he do not concern the common people as well as, but he did not concern in the National Assembly who elected by the people. That means the representatives of the people. So that is why they abolished on 21st September 1792 monarchy system. They announced their country as a republic. What is the meaning of republic? For example, in our country, we are celebrating January 26th is our Republic Day. So Republic means, students don't confuse, what is the meaning of Independence Day? What is the meaning of Republic Day? Here Independence Day means we got independence from the Britishers. So they gave independence to our country and they left our country. Okay, so that is Independence Day, August 15th. But what about Republic Day? Why we are celebrating January 26th as Republic Day? Republic means the head of the state, that means President of India or King, is electing by the people representative. Okay, by the representatives of the people, the king will elect. That is called republic. For example, Ramnath Kovind, he elected as President of India at present by the representatives who were elected by the all people of our country in the constituencies. Okay, who are MPs, who are MLAs, etc. So likewise here they announced their country as a republic one. That means they reduced the powers of the king. Okay, next one, they sentenced to death. This National Assembly sentenced to death of Louis XVI and his wife in 1793. Now they are starting ruling in this France. Who? Jacobin Club. Who was the main member here? Leader Robespierre. So Reign of Terror began between 1793 to 1794. Okay, so here Robespierre started ruling. In his ruling, he closed all churches and also he who are opposed his rule, simply he punished them and also he started killing by the process of guillotine. Guillotine means one of the machine cut the head. So who are opposing this Robespierre, so he allowed the two opponents to cut his head with one machine, that is called guillotine. So that is why people are frightened about this man. Okay, so it started, this period is called Reign of Terror. So it started from 1793 to 1794. That means 1 or 2 years. But so he rationed the meat and bread because their main problem is meat and bread. So that's why he rationed. So the government has to provide meat and bread to the common people. So next one, churches closed. But what happened here? This man also guillotined by the majority people, July 1794. Okay, that means he was also killed by the people with the machine guillotine, which is introduced by himself. Okay, so that is happened. That means ఎవరు తీసిన బూతులో వాళ్ళే పడతారు. అతను ఒక మిషన్ తో తలకాయలు నరికించాడు, ఆ మిషన్ తోనే అతని తలకాయ కూడా నరికించేశారు వాళ్ళు. So that is happened to Robespierre. Next one, after collapse of this Robespierre government, so another government came. That government name is Directory. So here Directory, not one man, 5 members are ruling the country. But these 5 members are always, that means often fighting each other. They did not cooperate each other. Okay, with the cooperation, without cooperation they are doing by their own laws and habits. Okay, so that is why people again revolt this Directory, which is formed by 5 members in France. But taking advance this one man came and he announced himself as a emperor of the France. His name was Napoleon Bonaparte. What is his name? Napoleon Bonaparte. Okay children, so that is when again he announced as the emperor of France, the Napoleon Bonaparte, all people's hopes were collapsed. Okay, again the monarchy system came to this country. So that is why common people, the third estate people, 90% people are discouraged by the form of this type of government in this France. What about women position in that days or in that years under the control of their National Assembly and the control of Jacobin club ruling under the control of Napoleon Bonaparte ruling. Actually, these people always suffering. That means women always suffering in almost all governments under the kings. Okay, so that is why they also started revolt against the concerning government. They need right to vote. They need equality in the society. They wanted to do jobs in outside, not only in houses. Actually, their main job is cooking, washing, grown-up children, and also who are the landlords. The domestic work will be done by these women in landlord houses, that manners. Okay, so that is why they also started formed some clubs for their rights. Okay, for example, political rights and also human rights, etc. 60 clubs are there. Among them, these two are important: the Society of Revolutions, Republican Women. So these two clubs are very important in those days, which is formed by the women. Okay, so with the help of these clubs, they fought. So through newspapers and through their writings, they said what are their sorrows, what problems they are facing by the dominant male society. Okay, but number of times these people were suppressed. That means these women were suppressed and also they were executed. These women were executed by the kings and rulers many times. So that is happening because they wanted to educate. They wanted to take a right to vote. So finally they. But on those days, woman has no right to select her husband. Okay, so that is why with their willing, they need married. Okay, and also they need if it is not okay, they need divorce also. Okay, so these all are happening under the women's clubs. They fought under the women's clubs. Who here? Women. So this is, children, the 13th lesson. Okay children, we will discuss the next lesson in the next class. Thank you.